Dear students, today we start chapter 3 exponent. We have already learned laws of exponent in previous classes. Here some rules of exponent is given. First, rule of multiplication. A to the power m multiplied by a to the power n equal a to the power m plus n. मतलब बेस सेम है तो पावर्स को प्लस कर देते हैं मल्टीप्लाई करते समय. रूल्स ऑफ डिवीजन. ए टू द पावर m अपॉन ए टू द पावर n, ए टू द पावर m माइनस n. डिवाइड करते समय बेस सेम है तो पावर को माइनस कर देंगे. रूल ऑफ पावर ऑफ एक्सपोनेंट. ए टू द पावर m होल टू द पावर n, ए टू द पावर m n means m multiplied by n. ab whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m multiplied b to the power m. a upon b whole to the power m is equal to a to the power m upon b to the power m. And sixth, a to the power 0 means 1. a to the power m is 1 upon a to the power minus m, or a to the power minus m is 1 upon a to the power m. मतलब यदि आप पावर के साइन को चेंज करें तो उसके पोजीशन को चेंज कर सकते हैं. न्यूमरेटर में है तो डेनोमिनेटर में लिखेंगे और डेनोमिनेटर में रहेगा तो न्यूमरेटर में लिख देंगे पावर के साइन को चेंज करते समय. Now try this question number 2. Solution. Two power 2 whole to the power 3 multiply 8 to the power 7 upon 4 to the power 4. एक्सपोनेंट के जितने भी रूल्स हैं सभी में आप देखेंगे कि बेस सेम होना चाहिए. यहाँ पर बेस सेम नहीं है तो बेस को सेम करने तो बेस को यहाँ पर हम सेम करते हैं. 2 पावर 2 मल्टीप्लाई 8. It divisible by 2. 2 4 is 8. 2 2 2 1. 1 2 3. 8 will be written as 2 power 3 and power 7 upon same 4. 4 can be written as 2 power 2. Power to the power. Using formula a to the power m whole to the power n equal to a to the power m multiplied by n. So 2 multiplied by 3, 3 multiplied by 7 upon 2 multiplied by 4. 2 power 6, 2 power 21 and 2 power 8. बेस सेम है. मल्टीप्लाई a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is a to the power m plus n. 2 power 6 plus 21 is 27. 2 power 8. Now a to the power m divided by a to the power n. a to the power m minus n. 2 power 27 minus 8 is 19. Question. Express the following numbers in exponent form. Third, 1 upon 196. Solution. Third, 1/196. 196. 2, 7. 196 equal to 1/2 power 2 multiplied by 7 power 2. 1/2 multiplied by 7 whole to the power 2. Using a to the power m multiplied by b to the power m is equal to a multiplied by b to the power m. 1/14 power 2, or we can write as 1/14 whole to the power 2. Second, write the multiplicative inverse of 10 to the power minus 5. First, you know what is the multiplicative inverse. If product of any two number is 1, then they are called multiplicative inverse of each other. That means multiplicative inverse of A is B and multiplicative inverse of B is A if their product is 1. Now A to the power m multiplied by A to the power minus m. Base same, power will be added. Plus minus minus m minus m 0, and we know that a to the power 0 is 1. That means a to the power m multiplied by a to the power minus m is 1. So multiplicative inverse of a to the power m is a to the power minus m, and multiplicative inverse of a to the power minus m is a to the power plus m. So answer solution to first multiplicative inverse of 10 to the power minus 5 is equal to 10 to the power plus 5. Solution 2, second, multiplicative inverse of 1/2 power 3, that means 2 power minus 3 is 2 power plus 3. Question number 3. Simplify each of the following. Second, 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 2 upon 2 power minus 2 multiply 3 power minus 1. Solution 3, second, 2 power 2, 3 power 2 upon 2 power minus 2 multiplied by 3 power minus 1. 2 power 2 multiply 3 power 2 multiply 2 power minus 2. 1/a to the power minus m is equal to a to the power plus m. साइन चेंज करेंगे, पोजीशन चेंज हो जाएगा. सो डेनोमिनेटर 2 to the power minus 2, न्यूमरेटर 2 power plus 2, and a to the power minus m equal to 1/a to the power plus m. So 3 to the power minus 1 is 1/3. Now 2 power 2 and plus 2, a to the power m multiplied by a to the power n is a to the power plus n. बेस सेम है, मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हैं, पावर ऐड, एंड 3 power 2 minus 1, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is a to the power m minus n. Divide 3 power 2 upon 3 power 1. 2 power 4 multiplied by 3 power 1. 2 power 4 is 16 and 3. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16. 16 multiplied by 3, 48. Exercise 3.1, question number 3. Simplify 16 multiply 10 t to the power minus 3 upon 4 to the power minus 3 multiplied by 8 multiplied by t to the power minus 6. First 16 multiplied t power minus 3 upon 4 to the power minus 3 multiply 8 multiply t to power minus 6. First we solve negative power. 16 denominator 4 power minus 3. So in numerator 4 power plus 3. T to the power minus 6. T power plus 6. T power minus 3 is t power plus 3 and 8. 8. A to the power minus m is 1 upon a to the power m and 1 upon a to the power minus m is a to the power plus m. Now 16, 4 and 8 different base. So convert this all in same bases. 16. 16 is 2 power 4. 4. 2 power 2. 8. 2 power 3. T power 3. 2 power 4 multiply power to the power. Power to the power multiply. 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. Now base are same and multiply. A to the power m, a to the power m multiply a to the power n. A to the power m plus n. 2 power 4 plus 6 is 10. Now a to the power m upon a to the power n. A to the power m minus n. 2 power 10 minus 3, 7 and t power 6 minus 3 is 3. 2 power 7 is 128 t power 3. Question number 4. Prove that second 1 upon 1 plus x to the power m minus n plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power n minus m is equal to 1. Solution 4. Second. Left hand side equal to 1 upon 1 plus x to the power m minus n plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power n minus m equal 1 upon 1 plus x to the power m upon x to the power n is x to the power m minus n. That means x to the power m minus n is x to the power m upon x to the power n. जो नेगेटिव पावर है उसको डेनोमिनेटर में लिखना है. सो x to the power m upon x to the power n plus 1 upon 1 plus x to the power n upon x to the power m equal 1 upon plus upon 1. Denominator different. Cross 1 into x to the power n is x to the power n plus x to the power m upon x to the power m. Similarly, if a upon b upon c denominator में upon में हो, we can write as a multiplied by c upon b. a multiplied c by b. जो डेनोमिनेटर में रहेगा उसे न्यूमरेटर में ले जाके मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे. a multiplied by c. So 1 multiplied by x to the power m. x to the power m upon x to the power n plus x to the power m plus x to the power m multiplied by 1. x to the power m upon x to the power m and plus x to the power n. Denominator same, x power m plus x power n, x power m plus x power n. So write one time and write down numerator as it is, x to the power m plus x to the power n. Numerator x to the power m plus x to the power n, denominator also same. So cut each other 1. Right hand side. Proved. Thanks for watching my video.